We are back, y'all, and I'm back with a gray background. I don't know, I love the gray background. I feel like it just suits me, child. So what we're doing is we're doing a basic beat because it's late. It's super late. So what I really want to do is basically perfect my face and eyebrows. Make sure my face is flawless. So I'm going to show you how I do my basic beat. First thing first is you want to do your brows. Make sure they're cleaned. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to go off camera and clean out my brows. And I'm going to come back when it's time to actually fill them in. Alright, y'all. So I went ahead and put some of my Benefit gel, and I went ahead and took some of my Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set my brows, y'all. And let's get into it. Oh, my brushes is upstairs. Okay, hold on. Let me go get my brushes. I went ahead and got my brushes. I had to because I just freshly washed them. Now I'm going to take my stylist to find a pencil from L'Oreal. I want to take my beauty pencil. Y'all can tell I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I'm going to go right in front. Kind of fade this to the back. I love how my brows look. These are my brows filled in. Now y'all already know what brush I'm gonna take. My infamous 252S MAC brush, y'all. I like the way my brows came out. So I'm gonna take fine, and I did go ahead and pick up some more. Other way, all my old Tarte concealers, cause the ones that I was using, I was running out. I have got 3 new ones. They have 50% off, and I said, what? You get 3 for like $47? I'm snatching the concealers up, baby. I was snatching them boys up. So I'm gonna take 10 sand because I like the underneath of the brow to be highlighted. So I mix these two together. The brows are done. They look so good. Like, this is coming out good. Let's get to this eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take my eyeshadow base, y'all, and we're just gonna apply this on the lid. I'm literally gonna go into this nude persuasion palette from Beauty by Melissa. This is Believe Beauty. You gotta know what I'm gonna put in the inner corner. I'm just gonna keep it simple for the simple fact that I want this to be a simple beat. Colors that I did go ahead and take are caramel and pearl. So pearl and caramel is the 2 colors that I took. That's it. You want to blend that color in. Come on now. These lashes are so small. I don't do small lashes. That melts everything. And these lashes is kind of cute. Okay, y'all. This is the first time y'all see me with like teeny lashes. Like, they don't even like they own, but this is what you call a beat. This is what you call a mama beat. Okay. Hydro primer, hydro grip primer. I simply run this across my face. I run it. Oh shit. I run it everywhere. I was trying to cover this up with like something peach. I don't have nothing peach near me, but that's okay. I'm gonna take these two foundations right here. This is the Makeup Forever HD Skin, and this is the NARS New Caledonia foundation. This is a little darker, so I'm gonna kind of mix both of those together. This has a pump, and I'm gonna put it on the back of my head. And honestly, I want a light layer of foundation, so actually we're gonna pat this in. And then some spaces I do leave open because I know I'm gonna put concealer right there. Anyways, 10 cent is bright. Y'all know how extreme bright highlight. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna take 10 cent. I'm gonna put 10 cent right here under the eye. I'm gonna take 10 deep sand. So actually we're gonna just take those two, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna start blending this out. And then the bridge of the nose. I'm gonna add Sacha Buttercup. We're gonna add Sacha Buttercup. So y'all know what I'm using. I'm using Fenty 430, and I'm powdering my whole face with this. I'm taking 460 from Fenty. This is 430, and then this is 460. It's more of a soft. I'm gonna start powder contour instead of cream. It's more soft when you when you powder contour. It's softer. Now that we got that down, I like it. I like it. Smudge black on the lower lash line. And so the shade that I went in with is called Chocolat. Chocolat. Do I do blush? Nah, I think I'm gonna do blush. Let's do blush. And my man is telling me to do a black lip, but I'm trying to keep it soft for y'all. So we gotta keep it soft. Went ahead and I carved out my cheeks. I'm about to add this blush. This is from MAC. It's called Raisin. This brush that I'm using to apply the blush is a 105 or 105 brush. So applying it with this brush. Okay, so I want to take this. Okay, this is the ultimate. This is the Ultimate Eye Intense Auto Stay Liner in the shade Deepest Brown. So after Deepest Brown, okay, what I'm about to do is I'm about to apply, let's see what new lipstick I'm about to apply. With this look, you can do any lip, like the word is yours, okay? I'm gonna do this like a new pink. I'm gonna take Peach Bellini right here, and I'm gonna put this in the center. Peach Bellini is so pretty. And it's drugstore. On top, I'm only gonna add gloss on top. This is Anastasia. It's like a gold shimmer. Favorite highlighter to go down the bridge of the nose is loose highlighter. Any loose highlighter. Alright, let's spray down. Let's spray down a minute, so yeah. Everything just marinate into each other. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. I'm about to go put on a shirt or something, and then we're gonna come back when it's time for the outro. Come back. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed this look. I was trying to give y'all something y'all could do like every day, and also smaller lashes, like something real minimum, so that y'all could actually see them on me as well. But y'all know I do not like short lashes. However, these are so cute. These little lashes, y'all. I hope that y'all like this look. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment, rate, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below and tell me, do y'all like these small lashes on me? Do y'all like them on me? And until then, I'll see you guys on my next tutorial.